Assalamu alaikum. Life is so unpredictable. We live only once, but if we do it right, once is enough. Life is unpredictable, and you need to live every day to the fullest. Be like a little flower, survive the rain, but use it to grow. The most important thing in life is to live your life for something more important than your life. Life is full of surprises, but someday everything will make perfect sense. So for now, laugh at the confusion, smile, tough the tears. I believe it's so important to love life, enjoy it for its small moments, and live without regrets. Life is unpredictable. No one knows what is going to happen next. Try to live every second of it, cherish it. Those who died yesterday had plans for this morning. Those who died this morning had plans for tonight. Don't take life for granted. Life is unpredictable. Always be prepared for the best and be prepared for the worst. It is full of surprises. Sometimes it's our turn to give surprise to the life itself. And we should say, wow, is this the man I was seeing these many days? It's very unpredictable with all the unwanted destinations. We never want to reach the destinations. It is unpredictable. Live it, enjoy it, be happy, have fun, don't worry, and spread love. It is full of beauty and strange surprises. Sometimes that beauty is too much for us to handle. When someone says something or writes something or plays something that moves us, we should be thankful. The truth is, you don't know what is going on to happen tomorrow. Life is a crazy ride, and nothing is guaranteed here. Live your best and act your best and think your best each day, for there may be no tomorrows. Enjoy your life to the fullest as much as you can. Thank you so much.